Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Atina hair. So this is a box, and first thing I'm seeing is the wig. Before we get to that, let me go ahead and show you what else is in the box. So I got this comb, edge brush and comb. Also got a little scarf here, perfect to tie down your edges, elastic band, and this clip. And I also got a wig cap. So that's everything that came in the box. So for today's wig, we have a 360 lace front wig, kinky straight. It's 20 inches long and it's 300% density. I can't recall me ever getting a 300% density hair wig. Usually the most I've ever gotten is 250 or 280. This is extremely full. I'm not getting any shedding. Yeah, I got one strand. Yeah, so I'm getting minimal shedding, very minimal. But the hair is really thick, feels really strong. It's been a while since I've installed a 360 wig, so I am happy about this and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this installation. But before I do that, let me show you how the inside looks. It has 4 combs in total. It also has a adjustable strap in the back, and yeah, pretty standard 360 cap. Some medium cap as well. So yeah, that's how that's looking. It's also pre-plucked, so that's the way it is. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, I went ahead and I installed it here, as you can see, and in terms of the back portion, I applied Got To Be spray and stuff, but I also tied the adjustable straps so that way it would be more secure, and it definitely was more snugged on my head. You know, finessed it. I didn't make it too neat because I usually don't like to do that neat updo look with my 360 wigs, and I think it turned out just fine. It looked really natural looking. It's giving natural, you know, so I really do like that. So thumbs up for that. Shout out to Atina here. As I said before, the quality of the hair feels really it feels really strong. So as you guys can see, the hairline, it looks really good, so I have to shout them out for that. And I just did a messy top bun. Like, it's just the vibes that I'm getting with this with this hair texture. And you could definitely feel free to go ahead and do like a half up, half down. This is how it looks as a half up, half down, and it's, you know, it's that kinky straight texture, so it looks just fine to me. It's really full to the tip of the hair, so that's nice. That is cute. That is really cute. So let me know your thoughts down below of this wig in my comments section, and please be sure to drop the information on it, the specs and the direct link in my description box, so go ahead, check that out. Yeah, yep, that's pretty much it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just walk magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in.